So I came back from the last trail run and realized I couldn't see anything behind me with just a rear view. A friend had these mirrors on his Jeep and I liked them. I put UTV mirrors on a Jeep. Here's how it went. Mirrors are kind of a weird thing to make a video about. We take them for granted until we can't see behind us. As I looked through pictures, I realized how many mirror pictures I had, and I wanted to find a good mirror for my big YJ. I picked up a set of Baja Racing Supply side mirrors and installed them. I'll put the link in the description, but be warned, $50 only gets you one mirror. I thought I was buying a set, but I wasn't. The construction is really solid, and I think I'm going to like these. As I've gotten older, an overlooked thing that I think about are mirrors. You know, we tend to not pay much attention to them on our passenger rigs, and we even have these fancy ones that fold in. But as I was on a trail this last weekend and couldn't hardly see out of my rear view mirror, I was really struggling with what I needed to do so that I could end up being able to see behind me. And I have come up with a good answer, and I'll share it with you. If you're like me and have a Jeep, sometimes mirrors are an expendable thing that happens, especially on rock crawlers. I've been searching for a good answer for a mirror. I don't like the kind that just stick in here and hang way out here. My friend James had these on a new Jeep that I was around this weekend, and he sent me the link from Amazon, and I liked these. Thought they would be a good answer. They're $50, and I thought that I was buying a set of them, but I was not. $50 only gets you one, so I'll have to order another one. But it's a pretty easy way to mount them with some hose clamps on there, and I think that that's going to be a good answer for, I really like this metal piece that comes around that'll keep the branches and rocks and things from smashing into it. In fact, James has said that he's laid his over on his side several times, and they're still ticking. So that's... First impression backing out of the garage, this is already going to be a ton better than I've been using. Alright, I took the new mirror for a spin around the neighborhood. The convex glass, that part works really well. Wide angle, you can see a good chunk of what's behind you. Better than the rear view mirror alone, for sure. I sure miss having a second one. I'll get that ordered soon. Out there on the trail, you're really just checking, is someone behind me? How close? Do I need to wait at the intersection? You don't need perfect clarity, you need awareness. And this mirror gives you that. So would I recommend them for 50 bucks? You bet. If you're running a Jeep with factory roll bar tubes or an aftermarket cage in the 1.5 inch range, this is an easy and affordable upgrade. They're not perfect. The manual adjustment can work loose if you don't crank the clamp down hard. And the 3.3 stars on Amazon, well, some of those reviews are from people running them on razors in different conditions. On the YJ at trail speed, I'll be happy with them. Main tip, when you mount them, tighten those clamps more than you think you need to. That's the main thing. Mirrors are kind of an odd upgrade to think about until you can't see behind you. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you following along on the build. If you've got questions about these or other mirror options for the YJ, drop them in the comments. Link to the mirrors is in the description if you want to check them out yourself. Have a great day, everybody.